I decided to do this diploma to challenge myself. It enabled me to broaden my experiences and also broaden my technical knowledge.
This course is unique because it has a really good link to industry, and it's really focused around practical things that can really be used in businesses.
So this course was unique in my opinion because it centered around the defense industry. The cohort were from a similar background, and so we could network, but at the same time, it made the whole learning experience very, very unique.
Skills I've learnt in the digital diploma have been cybersecurity, robotics and electronics. In particular, the CAD design and engineering for manufacturing was really interesting, and that would probably be one of my highlights of the course.
Highlight for me was the introduction to manufacturing techniques not yet explored in our industry and in the country, the return on investment gains that they offer, and the excitement identifying and investigating those opportunities.
The highlight for me is probably my project, actually displaying our project and doing that to both applying it in a university method, but also getting to apply it to the real world.
One of the highlights that I found doing the diploma was the electronics component. We got to come into uni, play around with some of the hands-on stuff, and then actually use the designs that we'd made when we did the coding.
I loved the coding. The coding and the robotics were great because I've wanted to do it for so long, and having that formulated for you and resources given to you and that help on hand has made it so much easier than sort of self-teaching.
For me, the highlight was the affirmation that I received from doing the course, because I'd actually go, oh, I know this. I'm teaching this well. How can I improve it?
Some of the most useful skills that I'll be able to take into my profession is definitely the CAD. So the kids are really enthusiastic at the moment about 3D printing. So having that extra knowledge about computer-aided design is really useful.
So I didn't have a lot before. It was really quite basic. I knew a bit of HTML and CSS, but that was it. But I've managed to sort of learn some coding skills, some robotics.
I think the critical thinking for myself has been really important, because I'm a bring it and wing it kind of person, but having to actually sit down and logically plan out progressions and problem solving was something that I really worked hard on.
So with the qualification that I've gained from the diploma, I'm looking at potentially doing some additional study in the CAD design area.
Due to the skills that I was developing through study of the diploma, my leaders noticed and they gave me a very good opportunity, which I'm very grateful to be in the position I am in today.